Alright, here's your tutorial. Get your hook and your string, tie a knot. Pretty sure you know this part, but you know, oh fuck. Should probably pause the TV. Okay. Oh, fucking Bobby, go on. Sorry, I have a child. Alright. Not tied. So you got your grip, which is around your pinky, back over the top, on top of your finger. Fuck off, Bobby. Okay. Then you got a chain. I don't know who the fuck thinks there's only 4 chains, but it's wrong. You can make that hole so tight, it's fucking never gonna be able to fucking lose their virginity, alright? So I would do 8 or 10. I'll go with 8. 1. Hopefully you know how to change. You just get it, pull it through the hole that you have. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you make it into a circle. So you just poke it through the first hole. There's no real beauty or science to it. Just poke it on through. And then you bring the string through both of these. Alright. Okay, then you have your circle. Ta-da! Now, you make your granny squares. So, you do 3, like, I don't know what to call them. I think they're called, like, triple chains. I don't know, triple chains, I don't fucking know. So you get it, and then you go into your circle. Excuse me. And you twist it around again. Pull it back through. You should always have, when you come back through, 3 separate things. 2, 3. If it's only 2, you might have dropped your stitch. That's alright, just undo it and do it again. Like if I had only got 2, let's say I did this, right? Rewind. So that's where I was before. Let's say went through, did it too fast and accidentally dropped that and come back out. If it's like that, you've done it right. Try again. So grab it, go into it, grab it through the other side, pull it back through. You should have 3. Do not have 3, go back. Then you pull it through 2, only 2, and then you'll have 2 left. Pull it through 2 again. So 2 and 2. Then you go again. Grab it, inside, grab it, back out, and then you go 2 and 2. 1, 2. So that's our second one. We've got 1 here, and we've got 1 there. So we've got to do 3. 1. So grab it, and grab it again. Oops, sorry. Then 2 and 2. 1, 2. So that's your first like part of the granny square. 1, 2, 3. So then you need to go, so there's 4 parts in the middle because you're making a square. A square has 4 sides. So you want to chain, is it 3? Yeah, sorry, 3. Which is just like how you did the first chain. It's just 1, pulling through. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to do it all over again. Grab it, go in, grab it, come back, 2 and 2. 1. Sometimes it can be a bit tight. Just go easy. 2. Again, grab. Got to do it 3 times, just like the first one. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. pull through 2, pull through 2. So that's another 3. See, 1, 2, 3. So then go. You want to make this chain part again because you're making the gap for the next round. All right. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to go into anything. So I'm going to do the same thing. It's just 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. All right. I'm just going to skip through this part. Hopefully you get that part by now. Oops, flip it around. Single string. Fuck off string. Okay, so now we've got 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to have to connect these 2. So again, you do the 3. 3. And then you just shove it in. See how you can see these 3 loops? 1, 2, 3. I'm going to get under one of the loops. This isn't too specific. Just get your needle in somewhere to pull it back through to connect it. I wouldn't worry if you can't get it in the exact right spot, as long as you connect it. So now we've got a little like circly squarey thing. Alright. And then you just start again. So you're gonna, this is your, wait. I'm confusing myself. Oh, so you need to start another square, which means same thing. This is your middle hole now. This is your hole. Grab it, put it through, grab it on the other, oops, see I dropped it on the other side. Pull it through 2, it's a little bit tight, this one. I think that's 2, yeah. 2, oh, excuse me, there we go. All right, so I've done 3. Now you're on the second layer. So you've got your corners, and then you've got these middle parts, right? So you go 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you're making your corner, which means you do the same thing as usual. That's your hole now. You move into a different hole. All right, la-di-da-di-da. Okay, but you're making it into a corner, because if you keep going around, you're just going to make a granny circle. We're not making a granny circle, we're making a granny square. Okay, so what you do to make your corner, which is what you do when you get to these holes, you just do 1 instead of your usual 3. You go back into that hole. You're going to do another triple chain thing. All right, so see, this It's two separate things. Go 3 and 3 with one tiny little gap in the middle. All right, so that's your corner. 1, 2, 3. You're going into the next hole. Oops, dropped it. Hold on. Oh, fuck. See, everybody makes mistakes. So I'm going to do a triple chain thing. I still don't know if that's the right word for it, but fuck it. All right, again, this is your corner. So because it's your second round, it's all corners, baby. So I'm just going to do 1. And I'm going to go back into the same one, do another triple chain thing. God damn it. I'm making it really tight. Really not helping myself. Okay. Okay, so that's another corner done. All right. So then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Going to make a third corner. Going in it. Triple chain. Gonna triple chain this shit up tonight. We're gonna triple chain until Maddie gets it right. Okay. Got a 3 thingy. I'm gonna do 1 because we're doing a corner. Oopsie daisy. Just 1. Because this part's the corner. Do another one. So the corner has 2 of these triple chains. Always remember that. Got the corners and the sides. So now we've got 3 corners. 2, 3. Chain 3. Because we're done with the corner. All right. Now this is where we started. So it has got 1 already. This has got 2, 2, 2. This one's only got 1. So we need to make it 2. Which means we just add 1 to it. You know what I mean? Just doing the same thing. That's the thing. Once you understand how to do a triple chain thing, you're just doing the same thing over and over again. That's why it's nice and easy. And again, I made it tight. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This corner's a little messed up because I haven't joined it yet. Again, when we join it, you just poke it somewhere. Oh fuck. See, like it's not too important. Just poke it in there somewhere on the edge. It's really dark, this wall right there. It's not helping. Look, I just poked it through some random hole, right? It does not matter. As long as you get like enough wool. Like a thing of wool. Okay. Just pulling that thread through to connect it. See how we've got the middle part? Then we've got the 4 corners. Alright. Now, this teeny little hole there, that's our new hole. Okay. She's a virgin. Alright, so we're gonna alright. And then bring it through. We're making a triple again. Oops. God damn. God damn. 3. So remember we got the sides and the corners. Alright. So triple chain, 2, 3. Now this is our side bit. This big hole is the side. Big hole is the side, small hole is the corner. Big hole is the side, small hole is the corner. Get it in there. Alright, so now we've got that guy on his lonesome. It's just the side bit, alright? See, we got our corners 1, 2, 3, 4. This part's just the side, it's not a corner. Okay, so we're just leaving him on his own. 1, 2, 3. Now, going back into the corner. It's a tiny little hole, so we got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's a hole right there. That's our hole. Grab it. Oops. Grab it, actually grab it. In there. Alright, so we've got 3. Because it's the corner, stuffing 2 in there, okay? So we just do 1 to separate it. Oh, hold on. Just 1. Because it's a corner. Corner only has 1 in between, not 3. Because we've got to make them close together, otherwise it's going to be a circle. Alright, so now we've made another corner. See how these corners go diagonally? Alright, so corner's done. We're going to do 3 to get away from it. Done and dusted. Now we got a big hole, which means it's the side. We're just doing a side bit. Sidey side side. It's the same thing, the only difference is how much separation you put. It's done. So because it's a side bit, it's not a corner. 1, 2, 3. Got another corner coming up, so we're going to go through here. I'm going to stop here. Alright, as you can see, got to remember to do your corners. So you start off with 4, and then the first one is 4. Second one is 4 corners, and then you start doing corners and sides, okay? And it keeps going. Every time you go around, it gets bigger. So right now, we've got 2 corners and 1 in the middle, but there's 2 gaps. So the next time you go around, there's going to be 2 corners, but there's going to be 2 in the middle, because they're going to be right there like a checkerboard. All right. Then next time you go around, it'll be 2 corners with 3 in the middle, and it just keeps going and going. This blanket has like 20 middle parts. Anyway, that's my tutorial. Sorry it was long, but I thought I'd slow it down for you since you're a dumb slut. I love you.